Hey guys, Hayden Harsberger here, drone specialist at Birkey's Farm Store. I'm here today with Ryan Quivy. He's our precision farming specialist out of our Macomb store. We're out on his hay ground today, spreading some seed with the T40 drone. What are we going to apply today?
Okay, what we're doing out here today is because the ground is so wet we can't get a rig or drill or anything out here. So we're going to go ahead and use the drone and try to interseed some alfalfa and some clover. Hopefully boost up the yield of this hay ground a little bit. Obviously we won't know how it's going to work out until after a while, but with the conditions they are, this is the only option we have right now, and it's getting too late in the year to try to do anything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to come out here and we're going to put 10 pounds of alfalfa down. We're going to put 5 pounds of red clover down. And hopefully we'll get a rain to get it incorporated a little bit better. Just with it being so wet, we can't get on the ground with anything.
All right, so we've got the product in the tank on the T40 already. We've done a material calibration, put the product in, let the product go into the empty container below it, and it kind of measures how fast that product's come out of the tank. So you can calibrate it, but any product that you have in that dry spreader. Already got that done and material in the tank. I've already mapped out the field, went on a four-wheeler, took the controller with me, and every so often just hit add a point as I was riding the boundary of this field. We're gonna upload that task to the drone and get flying. All right guys, we just finished spreading alfalfa and clover here on this hay field. We're pretty impressed with how the drone performed. We're waiting to see now how the crop's gonna come up. Contact your local precision farming specialist to learn more about these drones or for live demos.